Hello students, welcome to Learning Circle. Today we will start trigonometry. Okay, so we are going to start trigonometry chapter, and this trigonometry chapter has very much importance in class 10 syllabus. Okay, almost 10 to 20 mark question have been regularly asked from trigonometry. Okay, so this makes trigonometry a beautiful chapter as well as very important chapter, okay, in 10th syllabus. So to cover this 10 to 20 marks, we will try to acknowledge every trigonometric topics in detail so that when question appears, we would be in a condition to handle the question very properly. Okay, so let's start. So if I start the chapter trigonometry, one should ask the very first question, sir, what is trigonometry, right? What exactly is trigonometry? So, trigonometry has been made from three words. First is tri, and this is gono, and this is metry. Okay, so tri means three, metry means measurement, and gono means side. It means trigonometry in short is called as trigo. Okay, so trigo is said to be the branch of mathematics, is said to be branch, said to be the branch of mathematics, okay, which deals with which deals with measurement of measurement of three sides and angles of a triangle, okay, and angles of a triangle. It simply means, see, what are the keywords here? Keyword is trigo, and it is saying that it is the branch of mathematics which is dealing with measurement of what? It is the measurement of three sides and angles of a triangle. It simply means that if this is a triangle, okay, this is a triangle, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So sides are, what are the sides? Sides are AC, BC, and AC. Sides are AC, BC, and AC. Okay. Oh, sorry, AB. And what are the angles? Angles are angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay. So angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. So trigo tells that we can establish a relation between sides and angles. Okay. So trigo establish relation between sides and angles. So we have understood what exactly is trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but it is a tool to establish relation between sides and angles. Okay. So if we have understood what is trigonometry, so now further we will move ahead and we will see what is the syllabus. What is the syllabus of trigonometry? Okay. So in syllabus of trigonometry, we have been given that some basic concepts of trigo, and that angles standard angle value. Okay, and proof some proof, and thereafter we have been provided the syllabus of height and distance. Okay, so these are in the syllabus. So we will start with basic concept and move ahead with standard angle, and thereafter we will solve some question, and thereafter we will start the height and distance chapter. Okay, so let's begin. So in syllabus we have to deal with trigo of trigo in only right angle triangle, only right angle triangle. So in the syllabus of class 10 CBSE, okay, or ICSE or Bihar board, whatever board it is. So syllabus only deals with trigo, which will be applied in right angle triangle. So let's understand what is right angle triangle first. Okay. So I'm going in detail, and I want to clear every concept. Okay. So let's see what is right angle triangle. Obviously, right angle means 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay. So in a triangle, if one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. For example, this is the triangle. Okay, and this is 90 degree. So this is B, this is A, and this is C. So one of the angle, which is angle B, is equals to 90 degree. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. We do not care about other angles. We just care about there should be one angle, at least there should be one angle only. There should be one angle only, which should be equals to 90 degree. And if the angle is equal to 90 degree, it will be called as right angle triangle. Okay. So let's see. So we have the topic trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. So suppose if I make a triangle, this is triangle A, the vertices A, B, and C. And let's say angle B is 90 degree. Okay. So if angle B is 90 degree, so how many sides are there? So sides are AB, BC, and AC. And what are the angles left? Obviously angle A, angle B, angle C. We will not talk about angle B. We will talk about angle A and angle C. So let's clear some more basics here. Okay. So for angle C, if I ask you on what base angle C is made, so obviously you will say that BC is the base. Okay. So the basis of construction of angle on the side tells that it is the base. Okay. So BC is the base. BC is the base for angle C. And the remaining side would be perpendicular for angle C. And for suppose if I want to find the base of angle A, so obviously it would be AB. So AB is the base for angle A, and BC is perpendicular for angle A. Okay, and obviously uh, AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so we will say it hypo. So in earlier classes, we have been uh, studied about the relation between perpendicular base and hypotenuse. So perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square, and this is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem say? Pythagoras theorem says perpendicular square plus base square. I'm saying that this is perpendicular, this is base, okay, and this is hypotenuse. Obviously, base is for angle C. Okay, so there is a relation between P square, B square, and H square. What is the relation? P square plus B square equals to H square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have covered the basics. Now let's start. If I ask you, what would be the ratio of two sides? So you can say, sir, there may be ratio P by B. Similarly, you can say there may be ratio B by P. You can say the ratio of P by H, or you can similarly say the ratio of H by P. You can similarly say the ratio of B by H, and you can similarly say the ratio of H by B. So I want to clear what is P. P is perpendicular. B is base and H is hypotenuse. Okay. So this perpendicular and base P and B. Okay, you should be clear because it is the angle which is the perpendicular. For angle C, P is the perpendicular. For angle A, B is the perpendicular. Okay. So perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base is nothing but tan. Suppose this angle is theta. So tan theta is nothing but perpendicular upon base. And similarly, see, base upon perpendicular is nothing but cot theta. So we have covered two formulas here. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base. Cot theta equals to base upon perpendicular. Similarly, perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine theta. Okay. Sine theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is nothing but cosec theta. What is this? Cosec theta. Now, base upon hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. Okay. So height upon base is nothing but sec theta. Okay. Again, let's repeat. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base. Cot theta is equals to base upon perpendicular. Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Sec theta equals to height hypotenuse upon base. So there are 6 formulas which we should remember as a basic. Okay. So I hope this is clear till now. Okay. So let's move ahead. Let's solve some of the question based on the previous concept. Okay. Question is, find all trigonometric ratio for theta in the triangle ABC given as, so this is triangle ABC. This is C, this is B, and this is A, and this angle is given as theta. And this is 3, this is 4, and we have to find all trigonometric ratio. Okay. So how will we find? We will see. So obviously we see that AC is hypotenuse. So if AC is hypotenuse, so what is the relation? So we know that by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Obviously, it is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So if I want to find AC, we will have to put square as under root AB square plus BC square. So AC will become under root 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 is root 25, that is 5. We should note here that many students, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर को 3 + 4 लिख देते हैं, जो कि ये गलत है. हमें सबसे पहले व्हाट शुड वी डू? वी शुड स्क्वायर एंड एड इट. हमें स्क्वायर करके इसे ऐड करना चाहिए. तो अगर मैं स्क्वायर करूं 3 का, तो 3 का स्क्वायर 9 हो जाएगा और 4 का स्क्वायर 16 हो जाएगा. तो 9 + 16 कितना हो जाएगा? √25. और ये किसका वैल्यू है? 5. ठीक है. तो √3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर को 3 + 4 9 लिखते हैं. तो अब हमें सब पता चल गया. ओके. सो दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज बेस एंड दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पहला होता है बेटा साइन थीटा. और साइन थीटा का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूस. परपेंडिकुलर कितना है बेटा? 3. हाइपोटेन्यूस कितना है? 5. तो ये हो गया 3/5. सेकेंड है कॉसेक थीटा. तो कॉसेक थीटा का बेटा फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? हाइपोटेन्यूस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. तो हाइपोटेन्यूस कितना है? 5. परपेंडिकुलर कितना है? 3. सो इट विल बिकम 5/3. नेक्स्ट होता है बेटा टैन थीटा. टैन थीटा क्या होता है? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. तो परपेंडिकुलर कितना है? 3 और बेस कितना है? 4. सो इट विल बिकम 3/4. एंड देयर आफ्टर वी हैव दिस कॉट थीटा. कॉट थीटा क्या होता है बेटा? कॉट थीटा का फॉर्मूला होता है बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर. सो बेस इज 4, परपेंडिकुलर इज 3. नेक्स्ट इज cos theta. So the cos theta formula is base upon hypotenuse. So what is the base? 4. What is the base? 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So it will become 4/5. And what is the value of sin theta here? So sin theta value is nothing but h/b. So this value is 5 and this value is 4. So I think it is clear till now. We will cover the next learning in the next lecture. Till then, tata, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and help me to grow as a tutor on YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much.